Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Before installing node-express server, you need to check whether you have installed node.js or not. For checking node.js version, you need to go to the command prompt, type cmd and open it, and here type node hyphen hyphen version. Here I have already installed version 19.9.0. If you don't have node, then you need to go to the download URL node.js download. You can use the PowerShell for downloading the node.js, or you can pre-build installer, then download and install it. After installing node.js, you have to follow this process. Just copy and open the command prompt here and paste that npx node-expressx. Type enter. It will take some time. Just give the application name. Suppose I have given test server. Yes, I want to install it. It will take few time. Server setup completed. Now go to that server, test server, cd test server, then open it in the VS Code. We have now successfully installed our server. Now follow the next process. Step number 2, create a new database in the MongoDB Compass or MongoDB Cloud Storage. Now open MongoDB Compass. Create the connection. Just click on that. I have connected this. Now follow the next step. We have to create a new database in the MongoDB or cloud storage. The root name example.env to env. Now we can change example.env to env. Here we have example.env. We can change it to .env. Now we have to keep the database name. Here I can give the database name test db. Okay, you can add local. As I have used the local database MongoDB Compass, so I just give the name, database name. If you use MongoDB Cloud, then you have to give the username, password, and database name. Where you will give it, just this one. You will use this URL. Here you will give the username, password, then here database name. Now go to the project directory and open to terminal. Okay. Now I have to open the terminal. New terminal. Here I have to give the command npx tsc. Just hit enter. Found 0 errors. Watching for file changes. Now open another terminal. Here you will type npm start. Hit enter. Now server is running on port 5000. If you have Postman, then open it, or you can download the Postman. Open the Postman. If you don't have the Postman, you can search in the Google. Here is the download link. I will give all in the description box. You can check it. Go to the Postman. As our running port is 5000, we will write it here. If you hit the enter send button, now successfully we can get the response. I will talk about all the folder structure in the next video. Just keep watching. Now project will run in the following. Now inserting new user to the database. We will insert new user to the database. You can open Postman or any API testing tools. Paste this API endpoint into the URL section. In this API, I will create the new user. Just copy this. We have to use the post method. Select post. Then what should I do? After that, select body and also JSON as format. Select body, raw, JSON as format. Okay. Then copy and paste. Now hit the send button. Now we have created new user successfully, and we can check the database also. What we have given the database name? TestDB. Can you remember TestDB? Here found the refresh it. Here is our TestDB database, or you can find it here. Click on this users database. Click on the users. Here we have created the new users. Now we can add another user. Just hit enter, and another user has been created. Refresh it. Here two user created. Now this is our home route. Then fetch all users. We can fetch all the users. Just use the get method. Here I am getting two users to object. Now we have successfully created our server. So I will explain all of this, how we can insert the data and how we can fetch the data from the database in the next video, and also the all of the folder structures I will explain in the next video. Thank you.